All right, let's get started, and let me just give you a little inside look about my storytelling. So this one is called Taking Flight. Combo 1 is called Taking Flight, and Combo 2 is called Soaring. So for me, this is a sense of flying and freedom and something that just feels very light and a sense of flying, literally. So I've got these wings here and I'm catching air. So think about that sensation as we're going through the first part of the choreography for Combo 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and break down Combo 1. All right, let's get started. So we're going to be using a veil. I love to use silk because it's nice and light and it flies. And I like to hold it between my index finger and my middle finger. So that's just a technique that I like to use. I have a little bit of tension there, but not too tight. I want to be able to straighten my arms and catch the air underneath. So with this section, it's all about the veil. So my footwork might reflect when I need to direct the veil in a different direction. It's a little bit unpredictable, so it takes some getting used to. I'm going to be starting facing back. I have 1 count of 8 to get started to prepare before the choreography starts. Now, we're in the classroom now, so we're going to be doing the choreography just like we're in class. This orange band is on my right side. So when I'm heading in this direction, this will be your right, and this will be your left. Facing back, this is still going to be your right side. So we're into the classroom. From the back, I give a little scoop, I lift up and over and back. I shift my way to the right, and we're going to do both hands. In, I flick up and I lay out here, open. Hinge from the leg, use your leg for support and arch from the upper back. So you don't have to put too much in the lower back. So go as far, you can just look up here. Sometimes the veil kind of hooks around, so when I turn, I try to flick it off my arm a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go over, and flick and down. Both arms here go up. Lay out, arabesque to the left, turn to the front. Step, step. We're going to turn to the right, 2 turns to the right here, and I like to lift this arm to catch the wind, and this arm is flowing to frame my body, 2 arms. We're going to take 2 steps to the front. I step right, left, right, left. My left is prepared. And if you notice when I do it, I'll face you. The air is catching the veil, and then it frames my body beautifully. Here we go. So we'll take those 2 steps, right, left, Add a little plie on that left, and I'm going to do this helicopter arm, single barrel turn plie out, and I often need to flick that left arm to get the veil off of the arm and reach. You have a lot of time here. We're going to take it to the other side. Helicopter, single turn, quick, and. So hear the music pick up there. So really try to connect with the music. Here, we just come back to the loop. We're just going to practice that combo 4 times in a row. Let's go again. Here, soft and over, and shift right. Both arms, flick up and open, and arabesque. Step, step, 2 turns right, and lean, walk forward, right. And left and right. Move your hips if you want to. Helicopter here and turn and open. Helicopter to the right. 2 barrel turns to the right. End on the right, and you're just going to step left as the reset as you prepare to loop it. We're going to do it 4 times in a row. Let's try it with music. And then remember, working with a veil can be unpredictable. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll get. And you'll have to kind of adjust things, and you'll discover what happens depending on the weight of your veil. We're going to be starting facing back. Let's try it with music.